How to change profile picture on RedNote. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on RedNote. In order to do so, first of all, open your RedNote application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the Me icon. Simply tap on this Me icon and then you will reach to this page. In this page, here look for profile option and simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile page. In this page, now you will be able to edit your profile. If you want to take a new photo using your camera, simply tap on the camera icon just above your profile picture. And if you would like to select an existing photo from your gallery, simply tap on the profile picture and then you will see this page on your screen. Tap on this allow button to access music and audio. Also tap on allow all to access photos and videos. And then now select a picture from your gallery. Once after selecting the picture, here you will be able to crop or adjust it, and after making any necessary adjustments, tap on this red button at the bottom right to confirm. By doing so, you will need to wait for a moment and then you will see you have successfully changed your profile picture in RedNote. By following the steps, you can easily update your profile picture on RedNote. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.